प्रकृति महान है, प्रकृति विशाल है। विचार पनपते हैं प्रकृति की गोद में। उसकी विशालता के तहत विचार को मिलती है वाचा।
My role as a financial planner, I am interacting with all the high net worth individuals and ultra high net worth individuals.
हेल्थ बिफोर वेल्थ। सक्सेस के पीछे भागते भागते इंसान उसकी सबसे कीमती वेल्थ खोता जा रहा है, जिसका नाम है हेल्थ। हेल्थ और वेल्थ के बीच में बैलेंस करना बेहद ज़रूरी है। चलिए जानते हैं कैसे।
Actually, I realize that most of us invest in health after accumulating lots of wealth. The thing should be balanced, but probably we pay a lot of attention to wealth accumulation. I am no exception to that. Then another mistake probably we make in life is that we choose agriculture or visit to our farmhouse as a retirement activity. While I think these activity to visit to farm, involving yourself with some gardening or agriculture activity is a therapeutic thing, it's a self-healing thing, and I have my own experience with that, and I have witnessed with most of my ultra high net worth clients also.
कोई भी व्यक्ति वेल्थ क्यों क्रिएट करता है? अपने फैमिली के लिए, अपनी आने वाली पीढ़ी के लिए। इस कोर इमोशन को ध्यान में रखकर हमने खास आपके लिए तैयार किया है कम्युनिटी ऑफ हेल्दी वेल्दी हैप्पी फैमिली।
You must be aware that we are pioneer in the idea of creating a community of healthy, wealthy, happy family. Now, health is something very personal, but one can invest into such self-therapeutic and self-healing thing. Wealth is that we are good at it and probably you are engaged with us. Then happiness. Happiness is, it depends on multiple factors. But as I told you frequent time that healing and self-healing therapies, alternative therapies has immense impact, and we as India probably need to invest more energy into it, and we are very happy that many of our ultra high net worth family have been the part of the community, and we are growing day by day.
प्रकृतेः क्रियमाणानि गुणैः कर्माणि सर्वशः अहंकार विमूढ़ात्मा कर्ता ही मति मन्यते। Every work is governed by the grace of the nature, but only the arrogant people deny it. प्रकृति के सानिध्य में ध्यान विस्तरता है, जिससे कार्य और परिणाम सुनिश्चित हो सकते हैं। सफलता और विकास के लिए प्रकृति एक उत्तम माध्यम है।
This is post-COVID. We have realized work from home. This is work from farm. So I enjoy coming here, working here, and I have set up my small office here. So I come here, do my focus work that that demands some deep focus. I invite some family where we have some counseling role where the matter are beyond data, and it is just attaching the families. So we use this place for counseling as well.